Hi, I'm Randy Courtney, broker-owner for Weichert Realtors, Courtney Valleywide. Thanks for joining me today at one of my newest listings in South Tempe at 8288 South Homestead. There are only 28 homes in the neighborhood. Very exclusive, nestled in the heart of it. Light and bright is the design of this home. Just absolutely gorgeous. The budded glass on the corners. So you have this light-giving, beautiful view of this park-like setting of Homestead. It has a split bedroom design. Now each bedroom has their own bathroom. This spacious master bedroom is just luxurious and very calming. Double coffered ceiling, 12, 14-foot ceilings. In the master bath, we do have large Kohler tub and a walk-in shower. And this goes into a large walk-in closet that has a center island. The other side of the property. This spacious kitchen that opens to the family room. It has the travertine countertops, sub-zero refrigerator, Jenn-Air downdraft cooktop, and a double Jenn-Air oven. The kitchen nook is quite unique because it also has the budded glass where you have another park-like view. Outside we have this rear covered patio that is huge. Separate spa to a pool that has a swim-up bar. And the swim-up bar for all your barbecue needs and all your entertaining pleasure. Again, we have a home that has a full brick construction. Utility bills are incredibly low for this size of home. It's north-south facing, nestled in the heart of this 28-lot exclusive Homestead subdivision. Thanks for visiting this beautiful property in South Tempe.